Walking bendy down the Relito River path. It's pretty cool. Lauren's got something in her shoe. You got a good view of Mt Lemmon and the Catalinas in the distance. Super rad. Ooh. It's Big Bertha. Everyone beware. She don't mess around no more. The wife and I are staying outside of Benson, Arizona with our ornery little dog while we leave from Tucson to head to Tombstone and eventually Bisbee. Got some really cool views around here with some cool livestock. Love seeing all the horsies and the donkeys. Benny doesn't like them though. She hates anything else that has 4 legs, unfortunately. Yeah, it's a cool area. Not really a whole lot going on. But yeah, fun times. Benny and I have been lost in the desert now for about 3 years. Yep, 3 years. I don't know if we'll ever find civilization again. All I see is mountains in the distance. Oh, never mind. There it is. Oh shit, it's Big Bertha. I found her in the wild. It's kind of funny because I'm like 100 miles away from where I originally saw her. Such a sick mural. Such a cool little place. Look at the bartender over here. This bartender has no personality. He's just standing there. El Charro. Bomb margaritas and sangrias. Eat that shit, lady.
Oh, good.
Char chips. Oh yeah. Good. Cobra Arcade Bar. Such a sick time. Definitely check it out in Tucson. Walking down Tucson, having a good time. Downtown Tucson. Keeping it old school. I like it. Skyscrapers. Ooh. Ooh. What do you think of Tucson, Lauren?
Pretty sweet.
Pretty sick? It's pretty sweet. Over yonder. Tucson with my wife. It's a good time. We're going around, checking out the nightlife. Look at all the pretty lights. Keeping it festive. I like that, Tucson. I like that. Booze on in Tucson. Just like that, all of the lights turned off. I think we're gonna get murdered now. Spooky spook. We are at the Reid Park Zoo. Gonna check out some animals. It should be a good time. Let's check out the zoo. Up to 80 teeth. That's why they're so angry. They got all them teeth and no toothbrush.
Oh, gators are so ornery.
Gators are so ornery. The gator lies in wait. He wants to eat you. Goats back there being fat little goats. All this room and they're all huddled into one area. Just ignoring us. It's probably those double lemurs. Just hanging out. Zaboomafoo.
Oh, they're critically endangered.
Critically? we have the wild humans scooping poop in their natural habitat.
Amazing.
But where are the animals? Huh.
Maybe they have them out while they're cleaning.
Peacock, the most majestic of birds.
The silliest name.
Ooh, Ferris wheel. Or not Ferris wheel, carousel. Oh, there's other ones.
There's no
They're
pandas,
hiding.
unfortunately.
They're hiding from us in the trees. He has intrigued. Meerkat, the most majestic of animals.
Say that about every animal.
They're all standing at attention. Look at this. They're all like just standing. It's like the cult of meerkat.
Oh, it looks like Bindi. She sits like a meerkat.
Peacocks in trees doing some straight peacock things. They aren't even in their own enclosure. They're running the zoo now. It's the Peacock Zoo. Oh, there's one over there too. The female peacock.
And that's the
Less
female
beautiful
one,
than the
right?
male
Yeah.
peacock.
Oh, look at the. Oh, look.
You can barely see them, but there is a leopard tortoise in there. All the tortoises are hiding today. They want nothing to do with us. Well, yeah, alligators will eat you.
Who's the total
Zebras are just beautiful little creatures.
kind of zebra?
So cute. Got some asshole ostriches back there. And some ducks. But the real star of the show is the zebra.
Ride them.
Endangered. We gotta save them. Save the black and whites. A rhino. You'd think he'd be one of the more dangerous animals. But he ain't a hippo, that's for sure. The majestic rhino. Look at that fatty.
Get right above him.
That big old fatty. Yeah.
Oh, there's the
Oh, there's supposed to be gazelle in here also.
What a peacock.
That's the one we saw earlier.
Well, you know, how am I supposed to know? Oh, he's so cute. Big old tusk.
Hey, it's my own people. Us tall people gotta stick together, giraffes.
Oh.
I feel like they're one of the few animals that likes the zoo.
Oh,
'Cause they don't gotta deal with all the predators and they just get all the food they want. Oh, look at him. Oh, hey.
That's cute. They have
I'm
a little
Jerry the giraffe.
height measuring thing over there. Mother would hate
The
it.
lion-tailed macaque. Hey, let go of macaque. The ring-tailed lemur.
They live in groups called troops.
He likes to read books to you and go on adventures. Look at him go. Climbing trees like a gangster. Oh, he sees us. The king vulture. With a 6-foot wingspan, this apex predator will eat you and fuck your bitch. King vulture. Wow. Oh, he's looking at us.
Like, are you dead?
It's like, I'm gonna eat you, motherfucker. I don't care.
Stick my head up your butt.
Look at that little guy.
Capuchin.
That
The
capuchin.
friends monkey.
It's the Ace Ventura monkey, thank you very much.
Cute. What?
He doesn't want to be seen. It's like, oh, there's a bunch of them. Oh. Ooh. He's like, yo, give me some treats, dude. Fortunately, we came when everything is sleeping, apparently. The bird's tapir. The Tapirus bardi. Ooh, cute little guy. Ooh, into the cave of wonder. Where is everybody? Where is everybody?
Beside the bear.
No. The capybara.
Was it the most majestic?
The most
Of
majestic of large rodent mammals.
Oh, look at
Oh, he's passed out. He don't want to see us right now. He's a bear. He's a cute little bear. Bear. All sleeping. Spirit animal, 100%. Look how big that guy is. Mr. Steal Your Girl. Mr. Steal Your Grass. So tell me, antelope, gazelle, whatever you are, how do you like it here, huh? Oh, I like it a lot, Ashton. It's a good time. I got to hang out with the rhinos.
Lots of food.
Get all the food I want.
There's like
Woo, woo.
a little more than I wanted to see.
Huh.
Today.
Welcome to the zoo. Giraffes gone wild.
Inappropriate giraffe.
There are kids watching.
Cute.
What? Look at him. The elephant. The fattest animal of them all. With a little baby. It's Babar. Hey, Babar. What are you doing, Babar? Look at this guy. He doesn't care. He doesn't even want to look at us. He's rude. but the adults are just like head to the wall.
Hard to have a kid.
They're like, yeah, get away from us. We want some time off.
Oh, look at how cute.
Ancient dinosaurs.
You see it? No, look, you see it? Come here. Come here. It's right there. Look, it's yellow. Come here.
Little duckies. We're in the bird zone. Ooh, chicken sando. Pizza. For a miniature museum, that door sure is huge. It's not a full door. I love me some good miniatures, that's for sure. Little guns. Little gun hideaway. Imagine, I doubt one person is doing all of this.
I don't know if it was your lifelong thing.
I get. What is this? A house for ants? These buildings need to be at least 10 times bigger. Good job. I want to live in a shoe house. Why don't I get to live in a shoe house? Another shoe house. Ooh, this is the fancy shoe house. This dude must make a lot of money from miniatures to be able to afford that big of a house. Whoa. Three stories. Dude's balling. I thoroughly enjoy miniatures. I don't know what it is about them. Maybe it's like I feel like I'm God. Automated miniature house. Wait for it, wait for it. Ooh, look at all this. Look how complicated that would be.
It's crazy. In 1885.
It's like 40, 50 different like gears. Huge skyscraper.
Oh, I guess that's what they were doing.
Yeah.
What's that thing? Is that the stove?
Toy store at the top.
That's so cool. Oh, the chandelier.
I couldn't imagine having the patience to do a working kitchen for miniatures.
That's super cool.
Gotta teach women how to get in the kitchen early. Isn't that right, Lauren? Miniature pencil tip. That was a bird cage? What? That's crazy.
Little piano.
It's just so crazy.
Now it is.
Ooh, look at me. Pencils finally fiddle my heart.
It's true. Man, you're so small all of a sudden, Ashton.
Normal size? Ashton size. So sick. Sweet. Such a sick house. The clockmaker. Let's creep on these people. What are they doing? Hmm? Well, reading a book.
That's so cool.
Cotton candy, mister. That's Pinocchio.
Oh, Geppetto.
So cute. So great.
A lot of them.
Yeah, it's a pretty big group, man. That's awesome. The nutty professor. It's all classy stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then boom. It's crazy, dude. It's a winter wonderland.